in my heart, breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart, breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way.
What up, everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking on that thumbnail and joining me today. I hope you will consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you are returning Hey, Shug Muffin. All right, y'all, so today I'm bringing you another human hair slay on a Monday. And we have yet another unit from Amazon. Yeah, I know I love me some Amazon units, right? Because they are so affordable, right? So today I'm reviewing a 4x4 Brazilian straight human hair lace closure wig. As you can see, it's in pretty much a bob style. I have her in 10 inches and she comes with 150% density. Now, you've already seen the installation process. I did go ahead and bleach these knots off camera, as well as tint this lace. Well, I kind of showed you that on camera. But this is the result, and I feel like I'm giving like all the way natural vibes. Like this is my relaxed hair right now. Super nice, super natural looking. Absolutely love it. In addition to that, she's super easy, y'all. I mean, it's a closure. I always talk about how easy closures are versus lace frontals. So if you are a beginner and you don't really want to deal with the whole lace frontal from ear to ear, closure is your best bet, ma'am. I promise you. And this joint is glueless. Like, that's another thing you can get away with closures. You don't always have to glue it down. And the fact that this has an elastic band inside, it is fitting nice and secure to my head. She ain't going nowhere, even though she's glueless. Now, I did kind of customize like the little front area a little bit because I just didn't like the whole straight blah blah. So I added some little light bangs going on, layered bangs going on right here in the front, which I think are super cute. I feel like it just set the wig off for me, in my opinion, because when I had it all straight and like all one length, oh yeah, I just wasn't feeling it, y'all. Wasn't working for me, wasn't working for me. So my experiences with this hair, like I said, easy breezy. Hair is super soft and manageable. I mean, extremely manageable. I did get some shedding. However, of course, I did pluck the hairline, so that could be a contributing factor. I did go ahead and cut up, you know, some little layers here in the front, another contributing factor. But we are shedding. No tangling whatsoever. I think this is a super cute, everyday type of style. Y'all know I'm a huge fan of bobs anyway, and this is just another easy type of bob you can really throw on your head at any time. Now, one of the biggest cons I experienced with this unit is how big and dark these knots are, y'all. I bleached these knots and it's almost as if I did nothing. Like, the knots are still super dark up on this joint. I'm like, yeah, like they still like, hello, I'm here. Like, back up. Get out of here. I bleached you. And here, we are still here. I still see a lot of these super dark, big knots, y'all. I don't know why these knots are like cockroaches. Like, they are that big. To me, they're too big. So I would definitely say that's probably my biggest con with this unit. These old fat knots. Now, as I mentioned before, this unit is super affordable and you can find it on Amazon for a whopping $49.99, y'all. The price has actually dropped since I purchased. I purchased it at like $54.30. So, got a little drop in price. That's super affordable, y'all. Like, ridiculously affordable for a super cute human hair bob. Like, you really can't beat that. I mean, that's a steal. A whole steal. So, as usual, I'll list all those details down in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. So, that's really all I have for you wonderful people today. If you have made it this far, go ahead and leave me these little music notes emoji down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I love and appreciate you for that. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.